Sinclair, a scientist and professor working on understanding why we age and discovering new ways to slow and even reverse the aging process. On this show, I share an insider's look at the latest from my lab, the field, and what's just around the corner. Hey everyone, to Lifespan. One of the most surprising things we learned in season 1 is that aging is not as fixed as we once believed. For most of human history, we assumed that aging was just the passage of time.
Videos, talks, podcasts, classes. They take a long time to watch, and actionable results, takeaway messages, are usually hard to get. Not anymore. This can be solved with the Granola notes and used as a transcript in a platform in Lovable. And that's what we built.